In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord profile image on both mobile and desktop. This will work on both iOS, Android, Mac, and PC. Here we are in the Discord app on my iPhone. You want to go to the bottom of your screen once you're logged in and tap on your profile image. It says you in the lower right-hand corner to bring up your profile. Once you're here, you want to go to Edit Profile there towards the top, and then you want to tap on the pencil icon that is on top of your current profile image. Once you're here, you'll see the word avatar, which is what they call it, and then you want to go to Upload Image. By tapping on Upload Image, it will bring up your photo library here within your device. Select a new image that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this image here. I can select that image and I can adjust the image how I want and then go to Apply. That will apply that image. I will have a new avatar or profile image just like that. If you're on desktop, what you want to do is open up Discord like I've done here. Go ahead and click into your profile in the lower left-hand corner. Click on your profile name and then go to Edit Profile. Just like so. Once you are here, you will see your profile image there towards the right. Gives you a preview of what that looks like. Click into or on top of your profile image where you see the pencil icon and then go to Change Avatar. This will bring up the ability to upload an image. Choose from your 6 most recent profile pictures if you want. And then if you want to add a GIF or an animated image as your profile picture, you will have to pay up and subscribe to the Discord Nitro program. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.